This is a desirable area. You're going to be able to get cash-paying tenants that have great credit scores, solid job history, the whole nine. It's very nice. This is not something you're going to end up with on the Tenants from Hell show, most likely, right? You're dealing with high-quality stuff. All right, y'all, we got a big, beautiful friggin' deal for you today, man. This one's coming in an A-grade neighborhood, okay? 11430 Cedar Glen. This is a condo, unit B5 in this big, beautiful building. And you are in a primo area, dude. University Circle, Little Italy, okay? You're going to get a ton of demand. This means your tenants, they're going to want to live there because of the location, because of the nice amenities the building has, because of the private parking garage that they get with their unit, right? This is totally different than like some Section 8 investing where people are choosing to live in your property solely because they can afford it, right? This is a desirable area. You're going to be able to get cash-paying tenants that have great credit scores, solid job history, the whole nine. It's very nice. This is not something you're going to end up with on the Tenants from Hell show, most likely, right? You're dealing with high-quality stuff, right? And you're doing market rent here should be about $2,000 for this particular unit. And note that almost all of your costs are already kind of going to be like pre-calculated and pre-done, and they're going to be in the condo HOA fee, right? So the condo HOA fee is $982 a month, right? But what that really means is almost all of the spread is basically pure cash flow, right? Because what do you got as the spread? You got $1,018 because that $982, it covers everything. It covers building insurance. It covers the heat. It covers all the CapEx of the building, right? So you're not like saving up and factoring in money for a new roof, things of that nature, right? It even covers the water bill. The only thing that you need to like spend on this property is going to be like repainting the unit between tenants and, you know, eventually like upgrading the kitchen cabinets and like the toilet, stuff like that. Other than that, it is all handled, all taken care of for you by the HOA condo fee. And all the tenant has to do is they just have to pay you the rent, and then they got to pay for their electric bill. Everything else completely covered. $2,000 a month. It's like $1,018 in friggin' cash flow, baby. Only $149,999. No issues with renting. There are no restrictions from the building and the condo association on allowing you to rent it. You could even do it short-term rentals if you wanted to, and there would be a nice market for that as well, given the location right there next to University Circle in Little Italy, right? So if that's something you're interested in and you want to tour the building, you want to tour the unit, let us know. Just shoot us an email. If you hit us up before 5 o'clock, we will get you in there same business day. If you hit us up after 5 o'clock, we'll get you in there the very next business day. And what I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to have you stick around and watch the full uncensored video tour. You know, the clips I've been showing you of my guys inside the building, inside the unit, looking around the area. I'm going to show you all of that now in its uncensored format so you can see exactly what you're buying. You even get to see the views that the tenant would have from the unit. And then after that, shoot us an email if you want to tour it physically or if you'd like to make us an offer. Just send those to sales@HoltonWise.com. Take a look at the footage now.
All right. We're at 1430 Cedar Glen Parkway. It's a cool historic building, at least. think these guys are waiting on me.
Welcome.
Thank you. Is this our lockbox right here?
I didn't realize that.
I think it's someone's apartment, bro.
I'm sorry.
So is there no fucking digital front?
Is it this code? Press and hold arrow
Maybe.
button, press call done.
There you go. That's our code box.
No, this is like call people. If line is busy, press clear button and call and start again.
So try that
What are we
lockbox.
supposed to call?
That might actually be our lockbox. I bet all the doors are code locked.
We didn't mean break it in, I'm sorry. We've never been here before.
I heard the door click. Shoot.
Alright.
Okay.
Figure it out.
B5, what do we want to fucking
Well, wouldn't B be in the second floor?
B would be basement. In my book.
You guys think it's this one?
Maybe it's 5 stories underground. You know what'd be cool? Those fucking unit numbers.
I kind of like that doorway though.
Yeah. Well, I guess we just find a little lockbox on there, right?
Well, yeah, that one's 4.
These are sweet.
There's another lockbox on the ground right here. That one says 5. This is 6. Floor. Oh, that's not what that's at. What's the code?
It's gotta be the landline. 1957.
Alright, well. Which one do you think it is? It's not this one.
I bet you it's only one of them, too. It's a quick set.
I bet it's this one. It was Ace Quick Set.
These doors are kind of sweet, dudes.
Mm-hmm.
First try. This is upside down. Hello? Are we supposed to be filming anywhere else? Is there a basement or something?
I don't think so. Yeah, we can check.
I hope there's not a key in there.
Yeah, so I was just thinking.
Let alone if we can even find the basement.
Oh shit, look at that shower. Oh shit, this place is nice. Well, it could be updated.
Pretty nice looking cat tree, actually.
So one bed? Are these one beds? There's a lock on this door too.
There's another way out.
Like a
Front
front.
furnace. Does
Nice.
that mean this is the electric panel? Yep. That is so unsafe.
What
Still
the
need a
hell?
panel cover.
What the actual fuck, dude? Well, you know, you'll have that.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get access to the. Never mind.
The panel's right there. There's a furnace.
Okay. We're good with that.
We should go film that after, but there's another room over here.
Yeah.
Down this way.
This is kind of.
What's this, the living room?
Yeah.
I guess so.
This thing's kind of massive.
Right. Surprised it doesn't connect through that way.
Wait, why is there a furnace if there's radiators everywhere?
I don't know. Maybe it's a bit of both.
Maybe the building provides the heat, like, but I don't even see any vents.
I'm doing it right.
Yeah, this is actually pretty dope. Pretty cool. Couple of chairs in the fireplace.
Look at all that wood there.
Yeah, they had cats in, and I think probably there's a lock on this one too. Closet. I don't know why they were using this as the living room.
Maybe they're using it as a bedroom. Another bedroom.
Hey.
So I probably call it a 2-bed then. That's gotta be a bedroom. This is the living room.
Was this open?
I think that's what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yo, you open this kitchen door, right?
So milk chute. And shared balcony. Nice view. It's a shared balcony.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'll walk up after. I'm gonna go on.
Oh, you're gonna go check it out?
Yeah.
Dishwasher. Countertops look really nice. Fridge. Yeah. Pretty nice unit. You guys see the bathroom?
Yeah, the shower's pretty dope.
Yeah. Just want to make sure none of these are like anything but storage.
Right.
Yeah, they're all just storage. But yeah, I only see radiators, so I don't know what that furnace actually controls.
I mean, there's a radiator right there too, unless it's just all like rerouted now. I don't know how that would really work.
I mean, one boiler for the whole building kind of sucks.
Yeah, but-
Airflow.
Oh yeah, the phone nook. That's old school.
Electric heater accessory.
Oh, are these? They've been converted to electric then? I mean, that would make sense. Well, this room's. I guess this would be like the master bedroom then, but got a nice view. I don't know if you can see. Like downtown. Or near downtown, as it were. Alright. Yeah, I think you're right. I think this is another bedroom because it does have a lock on it. And all the bedrooms seem to. I bet this was like a shared living thing.
Maybe. They were renting out like one of the rooms or something.
Yep, alright. We're good.
Yeah, we got all the everything but hot water tank. I can only assume that's shared.
I don't know. But it looks like it has a parking garage too. Yeah, somebody's staying there. It's not very big. It's just enough spots for each unit.
Gas.
Maybe, I don't know if this is gas or water. This thing's huge. Drain.
That's crazy.
These old buildings look pretty Sweet.
Yeah, no, this is water into the boiler. Because it says spare head in boiler room.
I'm assuming the boiler's out of commission.
I think this might be.
Yeah, this is a nice parking garage though. It literally has just enough spots for every unit though.
The units are double.
And they're too deep.
Those are 2 people in 1 unit.
Up with the parking.
I'll make sure I film that.
Some people are in the team.
Film, and then there's the parking garage entrance. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWiseTV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.